Ever wonder why birds don't get electrocuted on power lines? It's all about the circuit. You see, for electrocution to occur, there needs to be a potential difference, which is simply another term for voltage. But here's the kicker. A bird perched on a single wire experiences no such difference. Even if it's sitting on a 220-volt power line, it's safe as houses, unless it decides to touch another wire with a wing. That's when it completes the circuit, creating the potential difference that could lead to electrocution. So, next time you see a bird on a wire, fear not, it's just enjoying the view.